Kidkot Confederation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, FASTOM, Karpar Regular Archar Kilayat Petbak na Jan Rajbawan, Shadu Madan Malki, Kum Kadak Kaching Persha, Ekching Penslam Kasorkar, Ban Pen Orlong, Yiching Dawachunki, Katabang Kantiwi School Ad hoc, Shaki Kerdan Deficit. We executive member of FASTOM, Mebon Lindo, Long Bakchingat Petbak along Tanglai Pungut, Katkum Kiching Ibet Kiborpia District, Henry Confederation can yab tang, Baniki, Tatadu and Orlong Kiching Dawa. Long Bahu Benayong Confederation can call Ikina School, but Kimikipa, Wani Krishan lang Yiching Dawa. Ulay Tuo Baman Sngi Balang, Kindon Bech ngut nonghikai, ïakhih khmat office MBOSE Shillong.
Yesterday, right after the meeting, we decided actually to have a peaceful march right from here to the secretariat. But we met with some of the government officials who advised us that it will be wise that we do not do it since it was going to block traffic and all. So being teachers, we listened to the government as well. So we went and we met with the DC and we seek his permission, and we got the permission today to have a peaceful protest right from the Raj Bhavan till the Malki ground. Now the reason why we have so less teachers is that while we took the permission from the DC has clearly mentioned that he is going to allow only 30 teachers. So here we are exact 30 in numbers, just as what the government has suggested us. So the reason why we are having this peaceful protest, it is just exemplary of and symbolic that we want to send a message to the government that yesterday's general meeting is not over yet. So we are continuing our agitation. We will continue again. Today we are having a peaceful protest. Tomorrow we will have a sit-down protest at the MBOSE office right from 11 p.m. till 3 p.m. 11 a.m. till 3 p.m. and we will sit there every single day, rotational, with 5 teachers. So we do not also want to disturb the board examinations that is going on. Therefore, we from the teaching community, we have decided that we will have 5 teachers who will sit there rotationally. So it will not be the same teachers who will be sitting there. Some of us might be sitting there like continuously, but all the other 4 teachers will sit rotational. And we also want to send a message to the government that you should not take it lightly just because we are not really going full swing. We are not really thinking about the government right now, but we are thinking about the students that we are teaching. And we have this responsibility in our shoulders that in this tussle, in this tug of war between the teachers and the government, the students should not get affected. However, we also have a very clear message to send to the government that the moment April arrives, if the government does not take any immediate action, we are going to launch a full agitation, and it will be on full strength. We will launch agitation in all the different districts of the state. We will have agitation right here in Shillong as well. Whether we get permission or not after April, not after March, sorry, when April arrives, whether the government gives us permission or not, that will not be something that we should worry about anymore. But we will go full on, full strength. However, till April, we will follow whatever the government wants us to do. We will cooperate with the government, we will work together with the government, and we will make sure that the students are not affected in any shape or form. But after March, maybe in April, we might also request the students who we have taught, the students who have passed, and we will also request the parents of those students to join in the protest, because we have been patient with your children for so long. It's time you also give your right and your left hand and join us in this fight as we fight for our rights and as we fight for survival. The government's attitude so far when it comes to the teaching profession, it's quite contradictory, because at one point of time the chief minister or the education minister will give us promises. The other time the promises will not be fulfilled, when we are also being made to believe that we are going to be upgraded to the deficit pattern. or the deficit scale. However, till now nothing has happened, and we do not really understand the position that the government is in, because when we talk of the education minister, he is always speaking in crores, and these crores are always changing every now and then. So we really want a figure that is correct, a figure that is right, a figure that is not misleading. And once the education minister gives us how much crore rupees is going to be spent on the teachers, we will give the education minister our own research that we have done. How much money can we get from the education department and from the home ministry that is coming to the state of Meghalaya. So there is a lot of money that is coming in, but I will not like to discuss so much right now. The chief minister knows, the education minister knows, and you can rest assured that the teachers also know now. So we are looking to work together with the government. We are looking to work together with the education sector in particular for this agitation that we have, and we hope that the government will respond immediately, because the teachers are getting tired and we cannot wait any longer.